Are you ready to discover the future of health and wellness? Because what I'm about to share with you is revolutionary. In this video, we dive deep into the 10 incredible benefits of using Mitolyn, a product so advanced, it's set to transform your health in 2025 and beyond. Whether you're constantly on the go, feeling drained, or just looking to improve your overall well-being, Mitolyn has something for everyone. We're talking next-level stuff here, people. So, if you're ready to unlock your health potential and stay ahead of the curve in health trends, buckle up. This is going to be a game changer. Let's talk about your immune system for a second. It's your body's defense force, right? Fighting off those nasty invaders that can make you sick. But in today's world, with stress, environmental toxins, and not always the healthiest lifestyles, our immune systems need all the help they can get. That's where Mitolyn swoops in like a superhero. Mitolyn is packed with powerful antioxidants and immune-boosting ingredients that have been scientifically proven to enhance your body's natural defenses. We're talking major research, published in reputable journals, showing that Mitolyn can significantly increase the activity of your immune cells. Imagine this. Those white blood cells, your body's warriors, are armed and ready to fight thanks to Mitolyn. It's like giving your immune system the ultimate upgrade. Mitolyn's immune-boosting power goes deeper than just fighting off colds and the flu. It helps to reduce inflammation in the body, promoting overall well-being and longevity. In a world where we're constantly bombarded with things that can weaken our defenses, Mitolyn is like a shield, protecting you from the inside out. Okay, let's be real. We live in a world that's constantly demanding more from us. Work, family, social life, it's a juggling act, and sometimes it feels like there are just not enough hours in the day. And if we're being honest, how many of us rely on coffee or sugary snacks for that midday pick-me-up? But what if I told you there's a better way to power through your day? A way to feel energized and focused without the crashes and jitters? That's where Mitolyn comes in. It's not about a quick fix, it's about sustainable energy that lasts. Mitolyn is formulated with a unique blend of natural ingredients that work synergistically to support your body's natural energy production. We're talking about B vitamins, which are essential for converting food into fuel, and adaptogenic herbs that help your body better cope with stress. A major energy zapper. Mitolyn provides sustained energy release, so you can power through your to-do list without hitting that dreaded afternoon slump. Let's talk about stress for a minute. It's everywhere, right? Deadlines at work, traffic jams, relationship issues. It's like stress is built into the fabric of modern life. And we all know that chronic stress is a recipe for disaster when it comes to our health. But what if I told you there's a way to navigate the chaos of modern life with more ease and resilience? That's where Mitolyn steps in, offering a natural solution to stress management. Mitolyn is formulated with adaptogenic herbs, powerful plants that have been used for centuries to help the body adapt to stress. These herbs work their magic by supporting the adrenal glands, which are responsible for managing your stress response. Mitolyn goes deeper, helping your body build resilience from within. Imagine it like this. Mitolyn is like training your body to handle stress like a pro. By reducing stress, Mitolyn also helps to lower cortisol levels, the stress hormone that can wreak havoc on your health. So if you're ready to ditch the stress and embrace a more balanced, centered you, Mitolyn is your secret weapon. We all know how important a good night's sleep is, right? Mitolyn offers a natural solution for deeper, restorative sleep. Its unique blend promotes relaxation and improves sleep quality. Say goodbye to sleepless nights and wake up refreshed with Mitolyn. Let's face it, none of us can stop time. But what if we could age gracefully, feeling and looking our best? Mitolyn supports your body's natural defenses against aging. It's packed with antioxidants like vitamin C and E, resveratrol, and CoQ10. These antioxidants neutralize free radicals, protecting your cells. Mitolyn also boosts collagen production for firm, elastic skin. It supports brain health, promoting mental clarity and focus. We've all heard the saying, "You are what you eat." But what if I told you that it's not just about what you eat, but also about how well you digest it? That's where Mitolyn comes in, offering a natural solution to support a healthy gut and optimize your digestive health. Mitolyn's unique formula restores balance to your gut microbiome, promoting optimal digestive health. Imagine enjoying meals without discomfort, feeling lighter and more energized. Let's be real, managing weight can be a real struggle. We're bombarded with fad diets, conflicting information, and unrealistic beauty standards. But what if I told you that there's a healthier, more sustainable way to achieve your weight goals? Mitolyn isn't a magic weight loss pill. It's a powerful tool that works in harmony with your body to support healthy weight management. It addresses the root causes of weight gain, helping you make positive, lasting changes. One way Mitolyn helps is by balancing blood sugar levels. When your blood sugar spikes and crashes, it can lead to cravings, overeating, and weight gain. Mitolyn's unique blend of ingredients helps to regulate blood sugar levels, keeping those cravings in check, and preventing those energy dips that can sabotage your best efforts. Mitolyn also boosts metabolism, helping your body burn calories more efficiently. And by reducing stress and improving sleep quality, Mitolyn further supports healthy weight management, as we know that chronic stress and lack of sleep can lead to weight gain. Imagine this: you feel more in control of your food choices, you have more energy to move your body, and you're finally seeing the results you've been working towards. In today's fast-paced world, it's easy to feel like our minds are constantly running on overdrive. We're bombarded with information, deadlines, and distractions, and it can be a challenge to stay focused, alert, and mentally sharp. But what if I told you there's a natural way to enhance your cognitive function, improve memory, and boost mental clarity? That's where Mitolyn comes in. Mitolyn's unique blend of ingredients works synergistically to support optimal brain health. We're talking about omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential for brain function, and have been shown to improve memory and focus. And then there's L-theanine, an amino acid that promotes relaxation and reduces stress, allowing your brain to function at its best. Mitolyn also contains antioxidants that protect your brain cells from damage caused by free radicals, which can contribute to cognitive decline. By improving blood flow to the brain, Mitolyn ensures that your brain is getting all the oxygen and nutrients it needs to function at peak performance. Imagine this: you breeze through your to-do list with ease, you remember important information without effort, and you feel mentally sharp and focused all day long. When it comes to our health, we're all looking for natural solutions that are safe, effective, and sustainable. We're tired of harsh chemicals, artificial ingredients, and products that promise the world but deliver little more than side effects. That's why Mitolyn is different. It's formulated with a deep respect for nature and a commitment to using only the highest quality, ethically sourced ingredients. We're talking about plant-based extracts, vitamins, and minerals that have been carefully selected for their purity and potency. Mitolyn's commitment to safety goes beyond just the ingredients. It's also about rigorous testing and quality control. Every batch of Mitolyn is meticulously tested to ensure that it meets the highest standards of safety and efficacy. Because Mitolyn is a natural supplement, it's gentle on your body and can be taken long-term without the risk of harsh side effects. In a world that's constantly evolving, it's more important than ever to stay ahead of the curve, especially when it comes to our health. We're seeking out innovative solutions, cutting-edge technologies, and products that align with our values and support our well-being. That's why Mitolyn is rapidly becoming the go-to choice for health-conscious individuals across the USA. It represents a new era of wellness, one that's rooted in science, inspired by nature, and designed to help you achieve your full potential. Mitolyn's popularity isn't just about being on trend, it's about the tangible results that people are experiencing every day. From increased energy and improved sleep to reduced stress and enhanced cognitive function, Mitolyn is empowering people to take control of their health and live their best lives. As word spreads about the transformative power of Mitolyn, it's clear that this is more than just a passing fad. It's a movement towards a healthier, happier future. People are recognizing that true wellness is about more than just the absence of disease. It's about feeling your best, both physically and mentally. Imagine this: you're part of a community of like-minded individuals who are committed to their health and well-being. So there you have it, 10 incredible benefits of using Mitolyn for your health in 2025 and beyond. If you're looking for a product that combines cutting-edge science with natural ingredients, a product that's been meticulously crafted with your well-being in mind, Mitolyn is your answer. This video is your ultimate guide to understanding why Mitolyn is rapidly gaining popularity and how it can benefit you in 2025. Remember, your health is an investment, not an expense. And Mitolyn is an investment in your future self. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more updates on the latest in health and wellness. And be sure to check out the link in the description box below for a special offer on your first bottle of Mitolyn. Here's to a healthier, happier you.